Hi there. My name is Michael Jones. Welcome to the next video in this series. Investor and Crypto Videos for Beginners. Today, I am going to explain whether or not you should buy Coinbase stock. Hopefully this will give you a fundamental understanding of this exciting new stock. What is Coinbase? Coinbase Global, or Coin, is the parent company of Coinbase, the popular cryptocurrency exchange. The company makes most of its money from charging transaction fees to customers who buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Coinbase charges exchange commission for crypto trades on their platform. Market analysts believe that Coinbase should be regarded as the market leader in the cryptocurrency industry. The company should be the primary beneficiary of the increased adoption of Bitcoin and other digital assets, especially for institutional investors. The market expects rapid and sustainable growth, driven by significant changes in consumers' behaviors, as new crypto technology is adopted worldwide. However, there are other analysts who say that Coinbase's good financial performance is not sustainable and that competition like Kraken and Binance will quickly erode their profit margins. Should you buy Coinbase stock? Coinbase's current 11% share of the crypto market leaves it in a great position to capitalize on the widespread adoption in the industry. It is not unreasonable to assume that there is potential for the total cryptocurrency market value to increase by about fivefold to the approximately $11 trillion market value of gold over the next few years as adoption becomes mainstream. Coinbase stock will be a major beneficiary of this exponential market growth. Follow my YouTube channel for more money and crypto talks.